Hey everybody, we had a quick change to Thursday, so I want to share the change to Thursday. So let's go into our class link. I'm going to click on Schoology, and I'm going to use my friends from first period for just a second here. And here on first period, we're going to give you some time to do a catch-up day today. So if you didn't do yesterday's, do now. There is one there. Here is a catch-up day required survey. You need to click on that. You need to fill this out. First and last name, what period do you have science? What is your current grade in Schoology? How many missing assignments? And believe it or not, there are 20 missing. There are 20 assignments. All right, and then hit submit. So that's what we're going to be doing today in class. So I just wanted to touch base with y'all, say I hope you have a great day, and we're going to do the DCA on Friday. All right, I will talk to you all later. Have a great Thursday. See you Friday.